Hi, in this video, we will look at how tag management works in the Academy. To open tag management, go to the Academies section and open the tag management page. On this page, you will see a list of all tags used across all academies. For each tag, the system displays its name, the number of quizzes and questions where the tag is applied. To quickly find a specific tag, use a search field and enter this name. To create a new tag, click on Create Tag button, enter the tag name, and confirm the action. If needed, you can edit the tag name or delete it by clicking on three dots next to the tag and selecting the appropriate option. By clicking on the specific tag, you can see where it is used. The Quizzes tab shows all quizzes linked to the selected tag, while the Questions tab displays all questions where the tag is applied. You can also add a tag to a new quiz. To do this, click on the Add Tag to Quiz button, select the Academy, course, and test, and then click Add. The tag will be successfully linked to the quiz. Similarly, you can add a tag to a specific test question. Click Add Tag to Quiz question, choose the Academy, course, quiz, and required question, and confirm the action. In addition, tag management allows you to export information about all questions and quizzes linked to a tag in CSV format. To do this, open the required tag, click on the three dots next to its name, and select Export as CSV file. From the same menu, you can also edit the tag name or delete the tag. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy.